Welcome to Techie Dialogue, where today we will learn how to insert special characters in Google Sheets to make your spreadsheets more dynamic and professional. In this video, I will show you an easy method to add symbols and special characters, even though Google Sheets doesn't have a built-in option. Step 1. Open a new Google Docs document by clicking the Apps icon from the Google homepage and selecting Docs. This is important because Google Docs has a built-in special characters menu that Google Sheets lacks. Step 2. In the new document, go to Insert in the top menu, then choose Special Characters. A pop-up will appear with all available characters where you can select a category and type to find the symbol you need. Step 3. Once you find the character, double-click it to insert, then highlight it, right-click, and choose Copy. This prepares the symbol to be pasted into your Google Sheet. Step 4. Go back to your Google Sheet. Place your cursor in the desired cell, right-click, and select Paste. The special character will now appear in the spreadsheet just like any normal text. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech tutorials.